Activist Professor G.D. Agarwal has been on a hunger strike demanding removal of dams and barrages from the river Ganga. But despite writing to the Prime Minister, the activist alleges that there has been no action taken in the case.
Well, in fact, this has prompted him to stop consuming water as well. Will the Uttarakhand government now at least intervene in the matter?
He has been fasting over 100 days for an environmental cause, but his demands are being ignored by the authorities. Former Professor G.D. Agarwal, who is now on a fast until death, has been demanding just one thing: to maintain the chastity of Ganga and stop any planned construction of dams on the river.
गंगा जी का व्यावसायीकरण बिल्कुल ना हो। गंगा जी किसी की रोजी रोटी के लिए, किसी के पीने का पानी के लिए या खेत की सिंचाई के लिए पृथ्वी पर नहीं आई या नहीं लाई गई।
The lack of any response from the government has only pressed the 82-year-old to stay firm on his decision.
इस बार कोई सरकार की तरफ से पहल नहीं हुई है। एश्योरेंस की बात छोड़िए, कोई पता करने या मिलने भी नहीं आया है। जहां तक पिछली बार का प्रश्न है, तो उसमें अगर सरकार मेरी मांग न मानती तो मैं समाप्त ही क्यों किए होता।
His supporters are echoing his cause.
दावे के साथ कहूँगा, निगमानंद का भी बलिदान हो चुका है, मासदन का भी बहुत अनुभव है, ईशानंद जी जैसे व्यक्ति का भी अनुभव आप लोगों ने सुन चुका है कि भारतवर्ष का दुर्भाग्य इसलिए है कि भारतवर्ष की साधु की जो गरिमा थी वो बहुत दिनों से गिरी हुई है।
But even after 3 months, there has been no response yet from the government.
Why has no response emerged from the government, especially from the Prime Minister's office, when the activist and the environmentalist has written several letters asking for some response and some action to be taken at the earliest? Considering the tragedy that was witnessed in Uttarakhand, should not the government not take this up at an immediate level? In Haridwar with Vijay Mohan, Pooja Shali for Times Now.